When it comes to choosing the best drone that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence, you've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drone you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. We're starting strong. Number 5 sets the tone for this entire list. Number 5, DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo FPV Drones with 4K camera, built-in propeller guard, remote ID compliant. Stylish, dependable, and perfect for everyday use. A perfect example that quality doesn't always have to come with a premium price tag. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo FPV drone is a complete package designed for both hobbyists and professional aerial enthusiasts who want an immersive and cinematic flying experience with ease and safety. Equipped with a high-quality 4K camera, it captures crisp, smooth, and detailed footage that makes every flight feel like a professional production, whether you are filming landscapes, urban environments, or action-packed sequences. Its built-in propeller guards and remote ID compliance make it safer for indoor and outdoor use while adhering to modern aviation regulations, giving users peace of mind during flights. The Fly More combo adds exceptional value with extra batteries, spare propellers, and a convenient carrying case, allowing longer flight sessions without interruption. One of the main advantages is the intuitive control system that supports first-person view flying, making it easy to master even for beginners, while offering advanced maneuvers for experienced pilots. On the downside, while the drone is lightweight and agile, its smaller size may make it more susceptible to strong winds, and users need to be mindful of battery life during extended outdoor sessions. Overall, the DJI Avatar 2 Fly More combo provides a balanced combination of professional-grade video capabilities, safety features, and portability, making it ideal for travel, content creation, and personal enjoyment. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, this next one redefines modern design and innovation. Number 4, meet Ruko F11 Mini Drone with 4K camera, 60 minutes flight time, auto return, beginner mode with 2 batteries. Built with precision, packed with smart features, and trusted by thousands of users worldwide for its remarkable reliability. The Ruko F11 Mini Drone with 4K camera is an ideal choice for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts who want a reliable, easy-to-use device that delivers impressive aerial footage. Designed for smooth and stable flights, it comes with a high-resolution camera that captures sharp and vibrant images and videos, making it perfect for landscapes, outdoor adventures, and personal projects. One of the standout features is the extended flight time of up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries included, allowing longer sessions without frequent interruptions. The drone also offers beginner-friendly modes, including auto takeoff, landing, and return functions, which make learning to fly intuitive and stress-free, while still providing advanced control options for more experienced users. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy portability, and the brushless motors enhance durability and reduce noise, providing a quieter flying experience. On the downside, while the drone performs excellently in calm conditions, strong winds may affect stability, and the camera, though high quality, does not match professional cinema drones in extreme low-light settings. Overall, the Ruko F11 Mini delivers excellent value with practical features, extended battery life, and a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and casual drone photographers. Whether capturing scenic views, exploring new locations, or simply enjoying a fun outdoor hobby, this drone makes flying accessible and enjoyable. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're halfway through, and number 3 has proven itself to be a real crowd favorite. Number 3, Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drones with 4K UHD aerial camera, 3-axis gimbal, 75 minutes flight time with auto return, beginner mode. Combines functionality, performance, and comfort into one perfect package. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro drone with 4K UHD aerial camera offers an exceptional flying experience for both beginners and enthusiasts who want professional quality footage with ease. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, it captures smooth, stable, and crystal clear videos, making it ideal for scenic photography, outdoor adventures, and creative projects. One of its most impressive features is the extended flight time of 75 minutes with multiple batteries included, allowing longer exploration without frequent recharging. The drone is designed with beginner-friendly controls, including auto takeoff, landing, and return functions, along with intelligent flight modes like waypoint navigation and follow me, which make operating simple and intuitive while still offering advanced options for more experienced users. Its compact and foldable design ensures portability, and the brushless motors provide quieter flights and increased durability. On the downside, the drone performs best in calm conditions, and strong winds may affect stability, while the camera, although excellent for most aerial shots, may not match high-end professional drones in low-light or highly dynamic environments. Overall, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro combines long flight times, user-friendly controls, and high-quality imaging in a versatile package suitable for hobbyists and content creators alike. Whether capturing stunning landscapes, recording travel memories, or experimenting with creative aerial shots, this drone delivers remarkable value. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Now, the competition gets tighter. Number 2 stands just one step away from perfection. Number 2, Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera 3-axis gimbal 70-minute flight time beginner mode auto return with 2 batteries. It's engineered for professionals, designed for performance, and built to last. A top-tier product that nearly took the crown. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera offers an outstanding aerial experience for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts looking for professional quality footage without complexity. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilizes every shot, delivering smooth and crisp videos, which is perfect for travel adventures, outdoor exploration, or capturing memorable moments from unique perspectives. With a flight time of 70 minutes using the 2 included batteries, you can enjoy longer sessions without frequent interruptions, giving you the freedom to explore and film more extensively. The drone features beginner-friendly controls including auto takeoff, landing, and return functions, along with intelligent flight modes like waypoint navigation and follow me, which make it easy to operate while still offering advanced options for more creative shots. Its foldable and compact design ensures portability, and the brushless motors provide quieter, more efficient, and durable flights. On the downside, while the 6K camera delivers excellent resolution, low-light performance can be limited compared to higher-end professional drones, and windy conditions may slightly affect stability, especially for beginners. Overall, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 combines long flight time, easy controls, and high-quality imaging in a versatile package that suits hobbyists, content creators, and travelers seeking an immersive flying experience. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes, documenting adventures, or exploring creative aerial photography, this drone provides remarkable value for its features and ease of use. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And finally, the ultimate pick. The one that leads the market, wins the reviews, and earns the trust. Number 1, DJI Mini 3 DJI RC. Lightweight 3x mechanical gimbal drones with camera for adults 4K 38-minute flight time. This is where performance meets perfection. Unmatched quality, next-level durability, and real-world results, making it the undisputed king on demand. The DJI Mini 3 with DJI RC offers a remarkable flying experience for beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike, combining compact design with professional-grade capabilities. Its lightweight build makes it extremely portable, perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or spontaneous creative projects. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stable and smooth footage, while the 4K camera captures sharp, vibrant videos and detailed photos, ideal for content creators, vloggers, or anyone looking to document moments from unique aerial perspectives. With a flight time of 38 minutes, you can enjoy extended sessions without constantly recharging, and the intuitive remote control simplifies navigation, offering intelligent flight modes such as follow me, waypoint navigation, and automatic return, making it easy to operate even for first-time users. Pros include exceptional image quality, stable gimbal performance, and portability that allows effortless transport, while cons involve limited low light performance compared to larger drones and sensitivity to windy conditions that may require extra caution for beginners. The drone's compact size and ease of use make it suitable for casual enthusiasts who want high quality aerial footage without the complexity of larger, professional drones. Its combination of portability, stability, and high resolution imaging provides excellent value for travelers, hobbyists, and creators who want to explore aerial photography and videography. Whether capturing scenic landscapes or recording family adventures, the DJI Mini 3 offers reliability and convenience in one sleek package. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.